Christmas is full of surprises for the big kids and the small kids. And here in WA, we do things a little bit differently. So if I told you that I found a Christmas gift experience, 100% West Australian, good for you and also you're someone special, and it's a forever gift, would you be interested? I reckon you would. Have I got a surprise for you? Willie Creek Pearls have been excelling in the pearl industry for over 35 years and are based up in Broome. Next time you're up there, drop in or maybe take a tour. Or if that's too far away, find a place that's closer to home, like this one here at Elizabeth Quay, really easy to find, and you can find your perfect Western Australian Christmas gift, a hands-on South Sea pearl harvest experience. From the shell to the showroom, well, actually the shell is in the showroom, and once inside, you'll get very hands-on with Michelle and Paul from Willie Creek. So tell us, Paul, how long does it take for the oyster to make the pearl?
So all pearls take 2 years to grow.
Stock standard?
Yep, that's right.
If you leave it longer, do they get bigger?
They can, however, we sort of risk losing that pearl or that oyster as we have to go through another whole wet season.
The colour varies a little bit, is that normal?
Yeah, so the oysters, the Pinctada maxima that we use to grow pearls up in Broome, predominantly grows white coloured pearls. However, they do have some undertones of different colours through that, and one of them is the pink colour, which is a gem quality that we see in the pearls that we grow up at Willie Creek. Also interested too, mate, when people come in for their pearl harvest, can you give some tips? Does it mean the bigger the oyster, the bigger the pearl? I want to know if size matters. Well, mate, typically size does matter.
Yeah, okay.
Look at me, for example. But when it comes to oysters, no, not necessarily. The oysters are all predominantly around the same size as they grow throughout their life, and you could have an oyster of the same size that grows this amazing pearl here, which is the biggest pearl that we've ever grown and harvested.
Wow.
The Don pearl, and the same size oyster could be growing the counterpart just here.
So tell me, Michelle, how does this work?
Well, Todd, welcome to our WA showroom of Willie Creek Pearls. This is our Elizabeth Quay showroom. First of all, what we're going to do is we're going to offer you some beautiful Bunker Bay champagne.
Thanks very much.
From Margaret River,
Yeah,
because we are in WA. Then we're also going to offer you some canapes. So this is our pearl meat. So this has been marinated.
Okay.
And this is the only part of our oyster that you can actually eat. Isn't that good?
Okay. Let's find a pearl. How does that work?
Okay, so the whole experience that we offer here is to take you through the history of pearling, a bit about the Banfield family, and we take you through a harvest. That's the most exciting part. So that's where you do get your hands dirty and you get to pull a pearl out of a raw shell.
So everyone leaves with a pearl?
Oh, everyone leaves with a pearl, whether it's from the shell oyster that we have here or whether it's from our amazing showroom.
Thinking about Christmas, you know when you're dressing your Christmas tree at home, they call it Christmas jewellery. Well, this could be real Western Australian Christmas jewellery, and this lasts forever.